Hey everyone, I am back with another Advent calendar unboxing. Today we have the L'Occitane Signature Advent Calendar. They came out with, I believe, 3 different Advent calendars this year, and this is kind of the medium grade one. There's also the Premium Advent Calendar, which I think is already out of stock. That was about $150 or $175. And then the smaller one is about $79. And I think they're already on sale now, or there are gifts with purchase depending where you purchase it from. So I'll include everything in the description below. But this is the Signature Advent Calendar. This is the L'Occitane, the Christmas Market in Provence. This is a 24-day Advent calendar, and I chose this one because I like the sizes of the hand creams. These are my favorite hand creams to carry around like in my purse. I just think it's a great size, and so I chose this one. So if you are new to my channel, I've done a few Advent calendar unboxings already, so go check those out. Probably the most controversial is back there is the Chanel No. 5 $825 Advent calendar unboxing, and then the Dior one was slightly better. So this retails for $115 when I got it. I think I may have gotten it with like a 20% off discount, but I think it's retailing for $74 right now if you're interested. But let's go ahead and unbox it. So very simple, very straightforward design. It is the Christmas Market in Provence, and you can see the market illustration right here. And then it opens up like so. So this is it. All right, so this is it opened up, and you can see the illustration. It is like a street market in Provence. Okay, very cute. So these are doors that just pop open. This will probably look like a mess when I'm done with this, but let's go ahead and open. Door 1 is right here. Okay. Door 1. Okay. And let me get you guys close up here. So when you open it up, you can see the kind of cardboard casing that's holding it in place. Door 1 is a lip balm. I always love lip balms. I've not tried this one. Let's open this up so you can see. Okay, it's got a little slanted applicator. So it's kind of like a waxy lip balm. Okay, no scent. So this is good. Nice little tube of lip balm. Okay, day 2 is right here. Every day has these little semicircles to help you open it up. It's a little bigger. Okay, oops, there's one peeking through. Okay, day 2 is the Ultra Rich Cream. So this is an ultra rich body cream, okay? This is a great size for traveling. I don't know if I've tried this. It has a little cap here. This is the Ultra Rich Hand Cream. Okay, very hydrating. This is also unscented. Unscented body creams, by the way, are great for extending the longevity of your fragrances. So make sure that your skin is hydrated before you put fragrance on if you want it to last a long time. Day 3 is down here. So these are their very signature mini hand creams with the little old school toothpaste tube top. And again, this is dry skin hand cream. This is the unscented, I believe. That's how it looks coming out. I love these. I usually buy a set of the L'Occitane hand creams, and then I just kind of sprinkle them throughout my house and and cars. Day 4 is right here. Okay, day 4 is the Aqua Ultra Thirst Quenching Cream. I haven't tried this collection, but anytime I see Aqua in something or like Hydra, I will assume it's very hydrating. So that's it. It's same white cream. Oh, this smells really good. So it has a little more of a fragrance than the Ultra Rich Hand Cream, but it's a very clean, almost not oceanic, I guess kind of beachy fragrance. I really like this collection. I'll have to check out the full size. Day 5 is up here. Oh, I love these. Okay. Oh, this is my favorite. Okay, this is their hand cream, but it is the cherry blossom. And so you got the really cute cherry blossom illustration. This smells so good. This is usually the hand cream that I carry around with me. And so whenever I put it on, if I'm, you know, at some event or something like a school function, the other moms are like, oh, that smells so good. And then I'll offer it to them. So this is really good. This is my favorite. Day 6 is right here. Okay, this is another, looks like another hand cream. Cooling hand cream gel. Interesting. So maybe this would be good if it's like in the summer, if you have a sunburn. So it's almost like, you can see it's like a gel texture. So maybe like aloe. Okay, it smells like, what is it, like eucalyptus? Minty. Yeah, it's pretty minty. Very refreshing, cooling hand cream gel. Very green and fresh. Day 7. Here. Oops, I ripped it. Okay. Day 7 is the SOS Lumiere. Ooh, hair mask. Lustrous hair mask for dull hair. I didn't know they make hair anything. That's good to know. Let's see if this has a scent to it. Okay, so it's kind of orange. I don't want to put it in my hair. Oh, well, yeah, it smells good. I don't know if this has vitamin C in it, but it kind of smells a little citrusy. Apply to lengths and ends. Leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse well. Okay, I will try this out. I like that it's in a tube. I have a few hair masks, and for some reason they like to put it, a lot of companies like to put hair masks in tubs, and it's just so frustrating when you're in the shower and you're trying to put your hair mask on. So I like that it's in a tube. Day 8. Right here. Oh, okay. So day 8, we have a little soap. This is the extra gentle soap with shea butter. I'll open this so you guys can see it. I've used a few of their soaps, but I never really kind of took notice of it, but this is the shea butter. Okay, yeah, it smells like shea butter. Okay, so that's the soap, very pretty. This would be a great guest soap for the guest bathroom. Oh, it says it on both sides. Okay, day 9 is right here. Ooh. This is the Verbena shower gel. So this looks like it's the same collection as the cooling hand. So that's the scent, it's verbena. It's very fresh and very green. Oh, this smells really good. Oh, look, it even has the little stamp on the side. So you'll have to try this out. This is a great refreshing scent. Day 10 is over here. Day 10. Okay, day 10 is another hand cream, and this is the Very Dry Skin Intensive Hand Balm. So this is different from the dry skin hand cream from day 3. This is a hand balm. And in my Diptyque, I think, advent calendar, I asked what the difference is with a balm versus a cream versus a lotion, and it's something with the oils and the thickness of it. So the hand balm is, I guess, a little more intensely hydrating. That's the cream right there. So yeah, very thick. Smells the same, unscented. Day 11. Okay, this is the one that's trying to fall through. Day 11, oh, okay. This is a dry skin foot cream. One of my hacks for using up skincare. If I have like a body lotion or even a face cream that I think may have expired, I always end up using them as a foot cream. I don't specifically go out and buy a foot cream, although I think foot creams generally are also a lot more intensely hydrating. So you may not want to use these, don't use these on your face because it might break you out. But let's try this. I'll put this on my elbow to test it out. So that's it. You can see it's very thick. Put this on my elbow. This smells a little more like medicinal, I think, the foot cream. I don't know if they do that on purpose. Maybe it's just to make sure you differentiate this from your other creams for your other body parts. Day 12 is here. Oh, okay. Another hand cream. And this is the almond hand cream. Delicious Hands. This one I like also. Oh, this smells so good. One of my favorite just drugstore lotions is Jergens Cherry Almond. It's so good. So the almond hand cream smells like Jergens Cherry Almond without the cherry. Day 13. This right here. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. This is the shampoo conditioner. So this is actually a conditioner. It's after shampooing conditioner. So it's got 5 essential oils. So, okay, good. This is just the conditioner, which is great. Okay, so I want to open it up, but that's what it looks like coming out. So it looks like it's very thick. Okay, conditioner, very nice. Day 14's down here, and it's a little guy. Okay, ooh, another lip balm. Day 14 is the L'Occitane Precious Cream. So it doesn't have specific directions. Okay, Precious Cream. So I will assume this is a generic, like all over body cream. I'll have to look this up. I don't know what the difference is with this and all the other ones. Day 15's up here. And another bath product. Okay, so this is the shampoo. So this pairs with the conditioner. So the shampoo, 5 essential oils. That is what it looks like. Okay, I haven't tried their hair products, so we'll check this out soon. Okay, day 16 here. Oh, okay. This is a cult fave, and I've used this before. This smells so good. This is the almond shower oil. When I think of oil, like a body oil, you think, okay, this goes on after the shower, but this actually it's kind of like a bath shower gel, but instead of a gel, it's an oil. And so it actually lathers into a really nice smelling lather. And so it's a really nice and moisturizing soap. Oh, it smells so good. This is great for shaving also, but it lathers up. So this is a great almond shower oil. Day 17 is right here. And this goes with the almond shower oil. You have the almond body milk. So this I've used before also. It smells so luxurious. I don't know what it is about almond, but it smells so good. Day 18 is right here. Ooh. We have the SOS Hydration Gel Cream Hair Mask, another hair mask. Okay, we'll try this out. So the first one was SOS Shine, and this is for hydration. Ooh, and it's blue. Okay, very clean smelling, fresh hair mask. Okay, we're up to 19 is down here. Okay, day 19 is my other favorite flavor of their hand cream is the rose hand cream. I love this size, hand cream for travel. Believe it or not, they actually make a smaller size and it's perfect for putting inside your mini LV pochette if you have that in a mini pochette. Okay, this is so good. So that is the rose hand cream. Day 20 is right here. Ooh, what's this? Oh, cute, okay. Oh, okay, this is part of their verbena line. It's a soap with verbena leaves. So I don't want to open this because you can see through it here, but look, it even has that imprint on both sides, the imprint of the verbena leaf on the soap. This is a really nice collection. This is a great scent for guys who aren't into fragrances. Day 21 is up here. And this is the comforting cream, light comforting cream, 5% shea. I like how they tell you the percentage. This is better if you want something that's not as intense. That is the light hand cream. Oh my God, there's like almost nothing. It feels like there's like nothing in here. Okay. Okay, day 22 is here. Ooh, another bath product. This is the Gentle and Balance Micellar Shampoo. Oh, okay. Gentle and Balanced. So I guess a very gentle cleansing shampoo. Okay, yeah. And so this smells like lavender. I love lavender. Okay, day 23 is right here. And we're almost done. Oh, another hand cream. I love these. If you don't like lotions or hand creams, this is not for you. But I love these and I love these size specifically. So day 23 is the Honey Harvest Hand Cream. I haven't tried this one. Let's see. It smells like honey. Oh, this smells good. Yeah, it actually, I don't really smell honey, which is good because I don't really like the smell of just honey on its own. I just really like it for my tea. Final day 24, which is right here. And, you know, I'm always a little bummed when they don't have the 24th day as something very special and large, but that's okay. All right, so day 24. Okay, well, we have something very different. So day 24 is the Immortal Reset Serum. Oil and serum. I've never tried their serums. Okay, that's nice. It's a pump applicator. Okay, so clear gel serum. Very nice. So the L'Occitane Oil Serum is the final day 24. Okay, and that is the L'Occitane Signature Advent Calendar. These are all the contents, and it is a treasure trove of travel-sized hand creams, which I love. A new find is the Verbena collection. There's this stuff right here. It smells really good, very fresh and green. So I'm excited to try it out, and it has really decent sizes of their cult classic almond oil and the almond oil hand cream. So let me know what you think of the L'Occitane Advent Calendar. If you plan on picking up any of the sizes that are available this year. Let me know what's your favorite product from L'Occitane. I'm not that familiar with them. I've tried some of their stuff. I really just like their hand creams, but I am excited to try the hair care and especially the hair masks. I'm really into masking these days. So thanks so much for unboxing this with me, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.